Good morning, my dear students. I am Abid Hussain, working as a lecturer in Physics Department in ASM Women's College. Today I am going to discuss about electronic oscillator. So before going to discuss about oscillator, we should know the some basic concept that is linked to oscillator. So that is first one is transistor. Here transistor is used to amplify or switch the electronic signals and electrical power. This transistor is also act as an amplifier. So when it is act as an amplifier, this take a tiny current, that is input current, and provide bigger current, that is output current. And amplifier is an electronic device that increases the voltage, current, or power of a signal. Now come to the actual data, that is oscillator. Oscillator is a circuit that produces continuous repeated waveform without any input, and this is oscillator is used to convert the unidirectional current flow from DC source into an alternating source. Now phase shift oscillator. Phase shift oscillator, it is a type of oscillator. Here good frequency stability waveform that can be obtained from the oscillator employing a resistive and capacitive elements is called phase shift oscillator. This phase shift oscillator can also be called as RC oscillators because it contains resistor and capacitor elements. Such amplifiers are called RC or phase shift oscillator, and they have the additional advantage that can be used for very low frequencies. Now this is the circuit arrangement as shown here. Here we have considered three RC sections are connected in series and one transistor and capacitors C4, C5 and C5, and this is the input signal and this is the output signal. Now we look at the principle. Here the positive feedback from the output to the input is provided by series triple RC network. So this is series triple RC network. So this is feedback network. So the feedback network is a process which fed back the output signal to its input signal. Here each RC section is producing 60-degree phase. Therefore here we have used 3 RC section. Therefore these components produces 180-degree phase shift, and another 180-degree is produced by this transistor. So total this 180 degrees fed back to the input through this feedback network. So the output is 360-degree phase. So this is the input, this is output. So 180-degree plus 180-degree is 360-degree phase. So here we have used positive feedback. So what do you mean by positive feedback? Positive feedback, it is positive feedback it is when the circuit produces the output is same as that of the input is called as positive feedback. What is positive feedback? Here the circuit which provides the same output as that of the input is positive feedback. So this is the principle of this phase shift oscillator. Here RC network which produces a phase shift of 180 degree and the transistor produces a phase shift of 180 degree, and hence the total phase shift of the oscillator is 360 degree or 0 degree. So here each RC network produces 60 degree. So value of RC are also adjusted. Here to obtain the 180 degree we have to adjust the value of capacitor and resistor. So So each section is produced 60 degree. If beta A is a feedback factor. If the feedback factor is greater than 1, the oscillations start at this frequency. Now look at the working. The phase shift oscillator, this consists a conventional single transistor amplifier and a RC phase shift network. The phase shift network consists of three sections R1, C1 and R2, C2 and R3, C3. At some particular frequency, the phase shift of each RC section is 60 degree. So this satisfy the Barkhazen condition. Every oscillator should satisfy the Barkhazen condition because to get sustained oscillations, the Barkhazen conditions are obtained. Here Barkhazen condition, the first condition is the circuit must be possess feedback, positive feedback. Second condition is the positive feedback, the input and output are 360 degree. It form loop, one loop, entire loop, and that produce 360 degree. The circuit must produce 360 degree phase. So at some particular frequency we have to adjust the RC section to get 180 degree. So in an RC circuit, the phase angle is given by tan theta, that is equal to XC divide R, that is equal to 1 over C omega R, that is equal to 1 over 2 pi f CR, is equal to 1 over 2 pi CR into tan theta. Since there are three sections and each section produces a phase shift of 60 degree, if tan 60 degree is equal to root 3, then the frequency of the phase shift oscillator is given as 1 over 2 pi RC into root 3. If R1 is equal to R2, that is equal to R3, that is equal to R, and C1 is equal to C2, and C2 is equal to C3, and C3 is equal to C. However, the actual data shows that F is equal to 1 over 2 pi RC into root 6. This is the expression for frequency in phase shift oscillator. Now the feedback fraction is beta. This is feedback fraction. It is the ratio of the input voltage to the output voltage. Therefore, the feedback voltage is in phase, and a phase shift of 180 degrees produced by the phase shift transistor amplifier. Finally, the result we get an entire loop. Entire loop is 360 degree. Therefore, this is therefore the waveform we get at output is 360 degree phase. This is in phase. For any further information, you can contact me through WhatsApp or email.